get started, we're going to make our salsa verde, which basically means green sauce in Italian. And it is a lovely blend of basil and parsley and a few other goodies. We're going to make it in our food processor. Now we're going to, all the ingredients that you need will be down below in our description, so you can get a hold of that. Let's throw in half a bunch of parsley to start with. And I'm grabbing the top so I don't have to worry about the stem. It's all good, making a mess. And I've got some lovely homegrown basil from our yard, which I do have to worry about the stem. And again, let's just peel that off there, throw it in. Yum. All right, so that's our greens in. Let's put in our olive oil. Just gonna help bring it all together. You can use extra virgin olive oil. I've just got not extra, just a virgin olive oil. Next, we are going to throw in some capers that give it a nice salty taste. Yum. Clove garlic and salt to your taste. I would recommend about half a teaspoon. And finally, some lemon juice for a bit of zing, some acidity to add to our sauce. Awesome. Let's give that a whiz. It's not a great big amount of ingredients in here, so chances are you'll need to scrape down the sides and keep going. And voila, we have a salsa verde. Yummy. Well, those lemons were very juicy and they've got quite a yummy acidic zing to it. Let's throw that in a bowl. Perfect. There you have it, guys. A gorgeous dressing or sauce to have with meats, with veggies, on your salads. It's an excellent toolbox recipe. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.